going to open a makeup fashion set. Now let's open it. There's some secret in somewhere. Let's open it. Open. Oh, there we go. Some makeup right here. How can we put this? I don't know. No, this is the makeup things. Look now, it's makeup time. Because some of them mix. Look, in there, there's a clip. There's so many different colors. Even some brush. And this makeup is only for dolls. We can't wear it. It has so many different colors. It has yellow, blue, pink, red. It's a little glittery. Green. And this one is skin orange. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and